If you're trying to figure out which LED headlight bulbs will work the best in your projector headlight in a 15 to 18 Toyota Tacoma, then check this out. In this video, we're going to talk about the new Morimoto 2Stroke 2.0 LED headlights. We're taking out the old halogen, we're putting in an LED, and we're going to figure out which one's brighter. The low beam projector in your headlight uses an H11 halogen light bulb. Everybody knows what a halogen light bulb is. They're $5 or $10 down at the parts store, and they have a filament inside. And just like any filament-based light bulb, when you put positive on one side and negative on the other, it lights up. Basically what happens in here is the voltage goes through and it meets in the middle at that wire wound filament. When you create a dead short with current inside a coiled wire, it reaches a state of incandescence, and that's what glows and produces the light. It also puts off a lot of heat. Now, the new LED technology has small LED chip arrays that, when lined up properly inside the headlight housing, mounted at the exact same spot, as you can see, the 3 LEDs that are shown are in roughly the same point in space inside the headlight as your original filament. The idea is nothing can perfectly mimic an incandescent filament except an incandescent filament. But if we want brighter, newer, better technology, we got to figure out how to make it work. So this is kind of a light bulb retrofit where we're taking out old technology and putting in new technology. The reason that most LED headlight bulbs don't work in a projector headlight is the alignment of the LED chip is all wrong. They're the wrong size, or too long, or too short, or the wrong position vertically or horizontally. Some LEDs have 2 arrays on each side for single beam. One color, another color. And then what ends up happening is you get 2 sets of LED chips that are all in the wrong spots. The Morimoto 2Stroke 2.0 LED headlight bulb kit for your Toyota projector comes with 2 bulbs, one for each side on your low beam or your high beam. The 2-stroke bulbs come with a 3-year warranty, and each use 6 Philips Lumileds ZES chips colored at 5,700K. They produce 2,440 raw lumens per bulb, which is about 2.5 times brighter than your stock halogen bulb. They draw only 23 watts of power per bulb and have an input range of 6 to 18 volts DC. Also, they only draw 1.9 amps of power. When you plug in the LED bulbs instead of your halogen and turn on the voltage, you get a completely different type of operation. Now, instead of a dim yellow incandescent filament that shines lights on 360 degrees, you get an array of LED chips on an ultra small circuit board. Now, the way the 2-stroke bulb works is each set of LEDs is on its own 1.5 millimeter thick circuit board, and they're back to back drawing heat from the PCB down to the fan. The fan is encased in an aluminum housing, and both is quiet and powerful. This is what allows Morimoto to drive the bulb so high to create so much power, yet continues keeping reliability. It's a combination of engineering for optical position inside the housing, brightness, and heat management. The Toyota Tacoma headlight uses an H11 bulb in the projector low beam and another H11 bulb in the reflector high beam. The install is simple. You take the original halogen bulb out, you line up the tabs on the new LED, push and twist. Push and twist. The install is the same for your high beam bulb and your low beam. Now that we have all Morimoto LED bulbs in our Tacoma headlight, let's see how bad they outperform the original halogen. So here's the Toyota Tacoma OEM halogen projector low beam. The way that we do this test is we put it on a stand, we bring it back 25 feet, and we give it power just like your original car voltage would act. We then measure it with a digital lux meter, and this time it measured 320 maximum lux at the brightest point inside the hot spot. The reason we're not measuring lumen is lux is the actual usable light in front of your vehicle. So that's what we're talking about. At 25 feet, the original halogen low beam creates 320 maximum lux. Now let's put in the Morimoto 2-stroke H11 LED bulb and see how it compares. Now this is what I'm talking about. With my Tacoma projector headlight, this is what I'd expect to see. The color is that perfect pure white. We retain the cutoff line, it's sharp, it's crisp, and it's way brighter. The LED bulb in this application comes in at 550 maximum lux, which is a significant improvement over stock. Now when we turn on the high beam in the Tacoma, the maximum usable light, or the lux, at 25 feet is 1010. This is way brighter than the original halogen low beam. This low beam plus this high beam should make an awesome combo, but I think we can make it better with LED. The Morimoto 2-stroke 2.0 LED headlight increases brightness by 30%, bringing it up to 1300 maximum lux. I love the shape of the beam pattern. It perfectly mimics the OEM high beam. I love the color. It's that modern, pure, bright white color, and you can't beat the increase in brightness. This product is a win-win for anybody with a Tacoma. If you have an H11 headlight bulb in anything, Toyota 4Runner, Tacoma, Dodge Ram, any number of cars, these same type of headlight bulb upgrades might work just as well for you. If you want to find out what fits your vehicle or see more review and install videos, go check out other videos. You can also subscribe so you don't miss our next video and contact us at www.headlightrevolution.com.